Hi, how you doing? I'm Brad Nelson, president of X Digital. My company has over 30 years refurbishing Xerox production equipment. I'm really excited. Today we have for sale Xerox Iridesse 120. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already done your own due diligence on the machine. You know the speeds, the features, the capabilities, the 6 colors, etc. I'm not here today to talk to you about that. You've also probably received pricing and maintenance on a new machine. And let's be honest, it's rather expensive, usually in the double 6-figure range. That's where my company, X Digital, comes in. We offer high quality, totally refurbished Xerox equipment that's guaranteed for Xerox service nationwide. On average, our clients are saving between 50 and 70% off the sticker price, while also receiving the same service guarantees just like if they were to purchase new. Our company offers a turnkey price that includes delivery, install, training, and certification for Xerox maintenance, either with Xerox Corporation or a local dealer. Alternatively, there's clients out there that like to self-maintain all their own in-house equipment. We're able to train your own technicians on how to service these machines. Look, we have a wealth of knowledge. We've been doing this a long time. If you have any questions about the Xerox Iridesse 120 or any other Xerox production machine, please give us a call, reach out to us via our telephone number, email address, or through our website. Thanks so much for watching our video.